right, guys, so here we got a 1997 Cobra. It's got a complete full exhaust system, SLP, so that means it's got no cats. That means it's gonna shoot some flames. It's got a two-step. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. We haven't put the nitrous bottle in there yet. The tires are pretty nice tucked in there. We got the full drag pack right now. We got the harness bar also. Right now we're just gonna run the car like this, and it's on 15s in the rear, 17s in the front with the skinny tires. Let me take you guys for a spin. It's really dirty. I haven't cleaned it up. All right, so I can't really talk because I got the mouthpiece on me right now, and I gotta shift somehow. It's a GoPro mount. It's pretty cool. It gets a good shot, but I can't really talk obviously because I'm holding it with my mouth. So just enjoy the drive, guys. We're about to take a little canyon also, so it's gonna be a little different. So yeah, every time you do a little bit harder of a shift, more like at 4,000 RPM, it does shoot a flame. His little T. Those guys built their cars for the canyon. This thing is fat tires in the rear, skinnies in the front, going to the canyons. I'm pretty sure a few people have done this before, but you know how it feels. It feels kind of weird. Hey, take a high chew, bro.
Flavor.
2 more cars coming up right now. Mini Cooper. All right, here we got another Civic Type R. Oh, he actually slowed down right here. This guy pulled up on this pristine Cobra, white color. This thing looks so nice, guys. I'll show you the motor and everything. Let me show you guys the interior. This thing is so nice.
When the boost kicks in, it just doesn't feel right.
This is a really clean Cobra, guys. You don't find these. Look at the wheels. He's got a nice tire setup. So this is pretty much the setup that I was gonna go with. Some 18s all around, but and he's got the trick full kit, and he's got a pro charger at home too that he's gonna put on the car. But you see. Definitely a weird canyon to come for like a motorcycle ride, especially for a sport bike.
Well, the fucked up thing is the guy, whoever's in front, it's like 3 turns in front of him. He just left his whole
He just left everybody, and it's like super rocky. There's a lot of bumps here. It throws off the cars really bad. If you have shitty suspension, it's not the canyon to go fast, you know.
Even on the bike, it sucks. I've almost slid out. I don't know how many times.
And that sounded good. Have been pretty good. You guys can hear them. They pop nice every time we go from let's say first to second, third to fourth at a higher RPM, about 4,000 RPM. You'll hear it pop nice. I'm gonna let these guys pass by and then we're gonna head over. Yee-hee. That's a nice R1 on the tune, guys. The Cobra drives really good on the freeway. There's not much shaking. It drives really good. I think the gears on there are pretty good, but if we want the torque, we're gonna have to go with 410s, maybe 430s, just so we have a little bit of torque on the low end.